The Priest and the Parrot. A priest buys a parrot at an auction. The auctioneer says, "Be warned, he used to live in a brothel." The priest brings the parrot home. When he uncovers the cage, the parrot squawks, "New madam, never had a priest before." Embarrassed, the priest says, "Watch your tongue, you're living here now." Two parishioners come over for tea. The parrot sees them and cackles, "New girls! Business must be good." Mortified, the priest covers the cage again. Later, the bishop visits. The priest uncovers the cage one last time, hoping the bird has learned its lesson. The parrot looks around, bows low, and says, "Hello, Your Excellency. Same old clients, just different management."